Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out Yamaha's 2024 AR250. So starting up here in the bow, you can see we do have this nice spacious bow. It's a huge feature of the 25-foot model. This is the largest size of the AR line that Yamaha offers. And then up here in the front, you do have plenty of storage underneath each of these seats here. And then you are also able to fill in these center spots here with those filler cushions, make a nice big sun pad up here. It's also got some dedicated anchor storage up front with that bow ladder. When you're using that bow ladder, you can actually close this hatch and use this non-skid sea deck as a step down platform climbing back into the boat. Move on back a little bit, you can see we do have this nice curved windshield going along the cockpit here. And this does open to be a wind dam to close this off when you got that windshield closed as well. Over here on the port side, you can see we've got this nice big compartment. It is set up to be used as a head. So you've got your toilet paper holder and everything on the side on the door here, but enough space for that to be a sit down head with a porta potty. If you choose not, it's also just a massive storage compartment. Speaking of storage, you do have a nice big ski locker on the floor here. It's a huge space there, plenty of room to go up. You can fit some full skis, wakeboards, any kind of toys you're going to have out on the water with you. Moving on up a bit more, we can take a look at the helm. So up here we got this nice big Yamaha Connect screen, so that's going to control pretty much everything on board. It's going to have your engine management, your chart plotter, all that is going to be controlled in there, as well as the radio with control of this knob over here. We've also got a nice wireless charging cell phone mount right there next to that Connect screen at the helm there. Over here on the port side, you've got a little bit of storage. You know, it keeps any kind of wallet, phone, keys dry. It's a good spot to keep that while you're out on the water. That way you can stow it away. Don't have to worry about it until you're back at the dock. We've also got these nice twin captain's chairs on board, right? So they are full swivel and they rock back and forth, and they've got the armrests that go back and forth as well. We're getting plenty of shade from our tower bimini up here. That's a nice feature of Yamaha's AR series. They all have these powder coated towers that do fold down as well. Moving on back a bit more, you can see back here in this spacious entertaining area, we've got plenty of storage under each of these seats. And then in the far back here, you can see your Yamaha 1.9 high output motors there. So that's going to be making a combined about 400 horsepower of those twin motors there. Then on the big swim platform, you've got 2 steps, plenty of cup holders, a radio controller, a lot of fun to be had back there on a day out on the water. If you've got any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give me a call at 803-610-7828, and that's me, Blake Holbrooks.